This is the Sheridan College. I think the last time I went there was on winter time. Today I'm going to show you the new completed annex of this Sheridan College. And no one is stopping. No one is stopping. Thank you. So this is Sheridan College here in Mississauga. A lot of international students are coming on this site, especially I think from Middle East and India. A lot of students are coming to this place. I will show you the new annex. So this is it. This is the completed one. I mean, this is the annex that is completed, I think this year. And we'll see if we can go inside. I'll show you this beautiful amazing school here in Mississauga. This is very close to the neighborhood. I think they just built this space like a parking. I mean a park. Beautiful location. Very close to cinema. It's right from the Mississauga bus stop and bus station. Oh, this is called Sheridan Hazel McCallion campus. Let's see if we can go inside. If someone stop me, then I can go. Then I cannot go, but we'll see. And that is the annex one, annex 2. This one is the original building. And that is the vicinity of the college. A lot of condominium. We'll check out the front one, the front of the school. I think it's on that side. Over there is the City Hall of Mississauga, very close. I'm not sure what is this. It's like a design. On that side is the square one, the second biggest mall in Canada. And that is the Sheridan logo. We're getting close. Very big school. And this is just a college. It's just a college campus. It's walking distance from the mall. And there we go. It's the Sheridan College. Hazel McCallion campus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And that's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more of my upload every week. That's it for today.